Best folding portable ramp, top picks for easy access. A folding portable mobility wheelchair threshold ramp is essential for many. It allows easy access to homes and vehicles. Lightweight and portable, these ramps can be folded and stored effortlessly. They provide a practical solution for navigating small steps or curbs. List number 1. QCXGL Curb Ramp Curb. Discover smooth transitions with the QCXGL Curb Ramp. Designed for wheelchairs, cars, and bikes. This portable rubber ramp ensures easy access over curbs. Ideal for caravans, skateboards, and motorcycles. Its 6 cm rise height offers safe passage and stability. Enhance mobility effortlessly with this versatile threshold ramp. Advantages: offers easy access for wheelchairs and vehicles. Smooth transitions made simple. Built with durable rubber for long-lasting use. Reliable in all weather. Portable design allows effortless transportation. Perfect for travel needs. Supports various uses: cars, bikes, skateboards. Versatile for many situations. Safe and stable slope. Enhances mobility and independence. List number 2. Ramps, safety ramp. Discover the convenience of lightweight mobility threshold ramps. Perfect for wheelchairs and easy to transport. Enhance safety with durable rubber curb ramps. Ideal for high steps and deceleration zones. Simplify access with versatile portable ramps for steps. Create a seamless transition with these practical and reliable ramps. Advantages: enhance mobility with lightweight ramps for easy transport. Convenient and practical. Rubber curb ramps ensure durability and grip on various surfaces. Safe and reliable. Threshold ramps provide smooth transitions for wheelchairs. Accessible for all. Deceleration zones offer added safety on steep steps. Secure movement. Portable ramps fit seamlessly into small spaces. Compact design. List number 3. Wheelchair ramp. Discover the convenience of the ramp's wheelchair ramp, perfect for easy access over door thresholds. Its portable design makes it ideal for indoor use, offering a smooth transition for wheelchairs. Non-slip surface ensures safety, even in wet conditions. The ramp is cuttable, allowing customization to fit various doorways or curbs. A thoughtful solution for enhancing accessibility at home or on the go. Advantages: ensures easy access with its portable and lightweight design. Perfect for quick setup. Offers reliable grip with its non-slip surface. Safe for all users. Fits various spaces thanks to its cuttable feature. Customizable to your needs. Suitable for indoor use, addressing doorway and curb obstacles effectively. Enhances mobility independence by providing a smooth transition over thresholds. List number 4. Pad 3cm/5 cm. Experience the convenience of the slope pad wheelchair ramps. Perfect for small spaces, these ramps ensure easy mobility. Lightweight and portable, they are ideal for home use, bicycles, and scooters. Secure and stable, they provide a reliable solution for uphill access. Available in sleek black, they blend seamlessly with any environment. Choose from 2 sizes to fit your needs. Advantages: compact design offers easy portability for daily use. Perfect for home and travel needs. Enhanced safety with non-slip surface. Keeps wheelchairs and scooters secure. Quick installation with fixable design. Saves time and effort. Durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. Reliable for frequent use. Versatile size options fit various spaces. Adaptable for different environments. List number 5. QCXGL Threshold Ramp Step. Brighten your doorway with the QCXGL Threshold Ramp. Perfect for wheelchairs and mobility devices indoors. Self-adhesive design ensures easy setup. Snap-on feature allows quick installation for hassle-free use. Durable yellow color adds visibility and safety. compact size fits most doorways comfortably. Advantages: enhance accessibility. This ramp aids easy wheelchair movement indoors. Easy installation. Self-adhesive design simplifies setup for any doorway. Durable construction, built to withstand regular use and heavy weight. Portable convenience, lightweight and easy to carry for various locations. Safety assurance, bright yellow color increases visibility, reducing accidents.